Today we're going to talk about how to psych yourself up to tackle a math problem. Okay, here's the problem we're going to look at. These 16 sticks make 5 squares. Can you work out how to move just 2 sticks to leave 4 squares? The squares must be all the same size and don't leave any loose ends either. So, what's the best way to get the answer? Well, obviously the most efficient way is to ask the person who posed the problem to show you the answer. But you already probably realise that when someone gives you this type of question, they're probably not planning to tell you the answer right away. So, even at the outset, it's not just math we're dealing with, it's social rules. When is it okay to ask people to explain the answer? When is it not okay? This is important because what if the person had said, these 15 sticks make 5 squares, when they're actually the 16? Did they get the number of sticks wrong? Or is the drawing wrong? How do you respond to this? Are you allowed to ask them to explain it? Or are you meant to assume the mistake is all part of the puzzle? What if there's a crucial piece of background knowledge they think you already know, but you don't know it? Well, we already ran into a whole host of trouble, even before we get started on the math. We better get started on the math. So let's get started on the math. People use different methods to solve math problems. So now I'm asking, what is the most widespread method that people try when given a math problem? Actually, you most likely know, but you're feeling a bit hesitant about saying it. Well, it's this. We stare at the problem and wait for the answer to pop in to the mind. Let's try it now and see what happens. As we continue to stare, one thing that often happens is the mind goes blank and fills with despair and gloom. It's already beginning to happen to some of you already. Other times though, an idea suddenly pops into the mind and we set about convincing everybody it's the right one. So, I might take that stick and I think, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4. I'm onto the idea already, but then again, what do I do with these loose ends or with this? Well, there's got to be some way of doing it. Maybe, well, but it's got to be that. It's got to be that somehow. So, we've got the idea and now we're trying to mangle the situation to somehow make it fit. We might even bang the table to emphasise that we've got it. But of course, we haven't. So let's put it back how it was. Well, we all do this staring thing. Even experienced and clever mathematicians. But can we do something a bit better? Okay, it's time to introduce our tactic to beat the problem. And it's this. Let go of trying to get the answer and instead spend time on exploring the question. So, let's have a go at this. I'm going to read the question again. These 16 sticks make 5 squares. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, there really are 16 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and there really are 5 squares. So we're just doing a very simple exploration at the moment. What did they want us to do? Move 2 sticks. Let's just move sticks and see what it feels like. We could move those ones. Well, already that's removed 2 squares, 3 are left. It's all kind of loose ends. So there's that kind of effect. What's a different kind of effect? Well, we can take out a stick like that. That feels a bit different. We've lost a square, but we still have a kind of enclosed space, whereas those ones sort of opened it out. So, why is it good to do this kind of thing? Well, because it helps to get the texture of the problem inside your mind.